So we have a really cool product to show you today. The Suaoki, not sure exactly how you say that, camping lantern with mobile charger. We've been able to play around with this thing a little bit and it is really awesome. You can get this on Amazon for only $16.99, so for under $20 we think it's a great deal. So this is the lantern, which can actually also be used as a flashlight. So you've got the first setting, which is kind of a low level light, but then it goes even brighter, just to give you a little more power. And then it also has this flashing setting, which can come in handy, I'm sure, if you're out there having car problems and you need just a light to kind of warn other drivers. Put this away from your car. So I'm sure there's other ways that this would be helpful as well. So it's got those three settings. Then one of the cool things about this is it actually pops up into a little camping lantern, which has this hanging deal, to give yourself a little bit of light for a decent amount of space. So I really like this thing. The other amazing thing about this is it is solar charged, which is really cool. It can be charged using an external power source. You can plug it into your laptop or into the wall. Takes about 4 hours to get a full charge on it. After a full charge, you're going to have about 10 hours worth of this light and 5 hours worth of this light. If you were to charge it through the solar panel, about an hour of charging it in the sun is going to give you about half an hour on that lower light and about 15 minutes on the higher brightness. But it's great. The other really cool thing is that you can charge your cell phone or another USB device through this. So this is why we love it. If you're out in the wilderness or camping, wherever it is, and you just need a charge for your tablet or your phone, put this guy in the sun for about an hour and then start charging your cell phone. Plug in the USB there, plug in your cell phone or whatever it is. So that's really cool. We really like this product, and again, for under 20 bucks, we think it's a great deal and definitely an essential. So that is that, and if you guys want to check it out, go to the link beneath. I get a small commission every time you guys purchase one of these things through that link. So thanks in advance, and we'll see you next time.